Hi, my name is Francis Schumacher and I'm in Kenya. 74% of Kenyans depend on farming, and out of 10 farmers, only 3 farmers have access to farm machinery. As you can see, Africa still uses a lot of muscle power and animal power. To change that, I'm here. I'm here to raise some cash to buy some combine harvester and a baler. That's how I will start my small farm machinery service company. And if you want me to help these farmers, you are very much welcome to donate for this project. I really appreciate some people trying to help the African farmers.